Hello guys, Happy New Year 2019. So for today, as I told you on Monday, what did I tell you? I tell you, if that red line of the correction has been crossed, we will go to what we call correction era that we have been the whole year since February. Now today there is something strange. There is a small gap down in the morning that happened when the markets all opened down. Okay, I will, you know, when you see the day as it is, you will see that there is nothing. But if you are going to trade as a day trader, you begin to see things, and then you begin to understand more the price than when you see the candlestick of the day, which is daily candlestick. Okay, so let's go and show you what is this gap down that happened in the morning for the major indexes. Now what does it mean? It means that most of the stocks in the stock market have been shorted. Okay, before the opening. That's why we have a small gap down. So I will show you with a chart. Okay, as you can see here, when you see, for example, the Dow or Dow Jones, this is the ETF. You see here that we are up 16 cents. It means the day have done nothing. It's 0.07%. Now, but when you see like this, you think that the market has been going up and it is good. But when you see, it's only 16 cents. So in order to understand, let us go to the 5-minute chart. Now let's say show you Dow Jones, then Russell 2000, S&P 500. Okay, it's almost the same. Now let's go to the 5 minutes and we see what did happen. Now listen, look at this candlestick. This is the last 5 minutes of Monday. You see this gap down. Okay, a gap down of 233, 229. It means $4. Most of the time for the Dow Jones, $4 here, it means $400 for the Dow Jones, like the index. Now $4, it is a gap down. Now if you see, for example, S&P 500, it's the same thing. Russell 2000, it's the same thing. Okay, you see this gap down, all of them. Now, do you know right now that the whole market, there are some hands that they do everything? Why, for example, Dow Jones, which is only 30 stocks, do like 2,000 stocks, which is a gap down, and then the stock goes up. S&P 500 the same, which is 500 stocks, and they are doing this the same. Now what does it mean? It means that the hands that they play with the stock market are the same. What they do here, they do there, and that's it. But understand, after the gap down, the market has been going so good until the end of the day. And we have here some going down, and then the market here, S&P 500, 26 cents, 0.010%, which is nothing. But as you can see, if you are a day trader and you did trade today, you will be making a lot of money if you have done this, because see, it's all good. As you can see, all good, which is very, very strong. So from 9:30 to 11:25. As I told you before, always look at the 2 hours or 3 hours in the morning. This is where the game is so funny. At the end, it goes up a little bit, and if we change it to the daily, you can see that that the stocks go up. But look at this. Look at this thing that I will show you very, very, it's very important. Is that it didn't cross the line. This line is the correction line. It didn't. Until now, until Wednesday, it didn't. Now, let's go back. Now, Mr. Trump has said that this December we have a glitch. So I will show you what did he say. So Trump says there was a stock market glitch in December, but it will rise when trade deals fixed. Okay, as if he will fix and he will make the stock market goes up or go down. This is what he says. Okay, and we said we had a little glitch in the stock market last month, that we will still up about 30% from the time I got elected. It means he speaks about himself, that when he comes, there is 30% the stock market goes, as if he is making the market goes up or down. And this, for me, this is not true. Okay, so Wall Street guys, they play as they wish. So it has nothing to do with Trump or with Obama or anyone else. He says it's going to go up once we settle trade issues and a couple of other things happen. Now, why does he say this? It is just to make sure the investors don't sell their shares in the stock market. Because here we see the S&P 500 dropped more than 9% last month to notch its worst December performance since 1931. It means 9% lost in December for S&P 500. It has never happened since 1931. Okay? Which is a big deal. Those losses also pushed the broad stock index to its worst annual performance since 2008, when it plunged more than 38%. And then for 2018, the S&P 500 pulled back 6.2%. Now, this is just some information about the glitch, but understand that when he says this, he said it around 12 or 12:30. It means he has nothing to do with what happened today, because what happened today is that we have a short sale before the market opens, and the market go down, and then when it opens, it begins to go up. Now, this is the opportunity to make a day trade. That's why I always tell you, try always to be at 9:30 in the morning if you want to be a day trader. A day trader, most actions is in the morning. It doesn't mean that in the afternoon there is no action. Yes, there is actions, and always we have action. But in the morning is decisive. Sometimes, like today, the day is up from the beginning. So there is no a lot of fluctuations. There is like 1, 2, 3. But this is very simple, because the day shouldn't be going up the whole day. It should go down, because some people, they sell because they are scared. They see they have made a lot of money and they begin to sell. Okay? So until now, we are still in what we call the bear market. So be careful. If you are a day trader, please be at 9:30 and always watch. And for investors, what Mr. Trump has said is reconforting. It means it's very good, but understand that Wall Street doesn't listen to Mr. Trump or to anyone else. All is about money. When you short a stock or you short an index and you make money, that's it. You don't worry about other people's, they make money or they lose money. Okay? So understand that this is just a game of prices. Some they make money, some they lose. That's it. So we will begin. Um, I will make other videos as needed if there is a change. Okay, if I see there is a change in the market, I will be making other videos. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and happy new year, and hope this year will be a good year for everybody. I have seen some who are going to be interested into day trading. I will be adding more and more videos about day trading, and in my subscription I will add more day trades and techniques and how to deal with the day. And it's always good to learn new things each week or each day. And thank you very much. Please share my videos in Facebook or Instagram or wherever you want. Thank you very much for watching, and see you tomorrow.